Tagalog to English challenge. Binili ko yon.
I buy it.
Mali.
Ay! I buy that.
Mali.
I buy me.
Mali.
I will buy.
Mali. Binili ko yon. O, forward.
I buy me.
Antay.
I buy me.
I buy me. Mali.
I brought it.
Ah,
I brought it.
ano na?
I brought it.
I brought it. Brought. Mali.
B-R-O-U-G-H.
Mali. Binili ko yon.
I buy it.
Mali.
I bought it. I bought it.
I bought it. I bought that. I bought it. Huwag kang makialam. 3, 2,
Don't try.
don't. Huwag kang makialam.
Allah, nalipa. Don't try.
3, 2,
Try.
1. Talpak. Kawander, forward. Huwag kang makialam.
Don't try to me.
Huwag kang makialam. Pulbo. Oh.
Don't do it.
Ha?
Don't do it.
Don't do it, mali. Huwag kang Antay, masig ka. Huwag kang makialam.
Don't mind me.
Antay.
Don't mind me.
Don't mind me, mali. At least ka na pulbuan nyo. Huwag kang makialam.
Don't you mind me?
Don't you?
Mind me.
Mali. Huwag kang makialam.
Don't do me.
Don't do it.
Don't mind it.
Ha?
Don't mind it.
Don't paki me.
Oh, mali. Siret. Do. Ha? Gusto mo na siret? Okay. Don't interfere. Ang garabot.
Don't make unak kumain.
Okay. Next. Wala kang alam. Wala kang alam.
Don't know me.
Ha? Ano?
You don't know me.
Wala. You don't know. Wala kang alam, Lola.
You don't know.
You don't know. Mali. Wala kang alam.
You don't know me.
Mali.
Wala kang alam. You don't like me.
Mali. Forward.
You don't know me.
Antay.
I don't know. I don't know.
Wala kang alam.
You don't know anything.
You don't know anything. Or you know nothing.
You know nothing.
You know nothing, you don't know anything. Pwede na. Ito. Bakit ka umiyak?
Why are you crying?
Mali. Bakit ka umiyak? Next.
Why did you cry?
Why did you cry? Past tense.
Rain.
Oh, Kawander. Sinong kasama mo? 3. Ala.
Why
3.
you? Why the?
Saglit. Pulbo. 3. 2.
Why did you?
Sinong kasama mo?
Who is your company?
Sinong kasama mo?
Who is your partner?
Sinong kasama mo?
Who is with you?
Tama. Who is with you? Ito, yo. Sino ang kumuha ng barya?
Who is get coin?
Ha?
Who is get coin?
Mali. Who is get? Sino ang kumuha ng barya?
Who got the coin?
Ha?
Who got the coin?
Who got the coin? coins or who took the coins?
Lakong bread o pulbo.
Mag-usap tayo ng mahinahon.
I talk.
I talk. I talk personal, mali. Mag-usap tayo ng mahinahon.
I talk patiently. I will talk.
I will talk the past.
Aba, makatong-tungan na tayo.
Tay, mag-usap tayo ng mahinahon.
You talk to me immediately.
Mali. Mahinahon o kalmado, pareho lang.
We talk carefully.
Carefully, no? Mag-usap tayo. Mag-usap tayo ng mahinahon.
I talk wisely.
Mali.
I can talk nicely.
Mali.
Let's talk calm. Let's talk calm.
Mali.
Kulang.
Let's talk calmly.
Kayo. Let's talk calmly. Mag-usap tayo ng mahinahon. O, tawa, Kawandar. Dali. Bakit siya malungkot?
Why did you... Ano ba yung malungkot? Why did you... Ano ba yung malungkot? Nakalimutan.
Sad. Oh.
Why did you sad?
Bakit siya malungkot?
Why is she lonely?
Pwede rin. Why is she sad or why is she lonely? Pwede.
Talaga, ano ba?
Ayun, wala natin yan.
Last three.
Nila.
Antay. Umakyat ka nga sa bubong. Umakyat ka sa bubong.
Kanayong ka dyan, tay. You up, down. You up, down.
Umakyat ka sa bubong. You climb up the roof.
Umakyat ka sa bubong.
You climb up.
Ayusin mo lang.
Can you climb up in the roof?
Mali.
Muntik na. Umakyat ka sa bubong.
Go up in heaven.
Go up to the roof.
Ha?
Go up to the roof.
Go up to the roof.
Hey!
Go up to the roof. Nakalmot ako ng pusa. Nakalmot ako ng pusa. 3. Ala. 2. Nakalmot. Mayang. Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
Scratch me.
Mali. Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
The cat is karmot.
Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
I scratch the cat.
Kinalmo mo. Nag-istayaran.
Dahil mo po sakit.
Binaliktad na.
The cat scratch me.
Mali. Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
The cat is scratch me.
Mali. Past tense ha, nakalmot ako ng pusa. Nakalmot ako ng pusa. Ipakinggan nyo, past tense yun. Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
Scratch me the cat.
Mali. Nahulaw mo. Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
I'm scratch
I'm
the
past
cat.
tense.
Ay, what?
Ay, sayang. Past tense ya. Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
The cat, it scratch me.
Mali. Si Red! Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
I scratch the cat.
Antay. Tama. Hindi nga, tama.
I scratch the cat.
Ayos ka dyan.
The cat, it scratch me.
Mali. Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
Dapat is meow meow.
Mali. Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
I got a scratch. Ay, hindi.
Si Red!
Yes,
Hindi,
sirit.
nagpapusuha.
Sirit.
Ano ba yan? Dapat ka na yun.
Nakalmot ako ng pusa.
Talasan ng talampaka. I got a scratch from cat.
Mali.
The cat is scratch me.
I was got scratch with the cat.
I was
Ha?
cat nga.
I was got scratch with
I
the
was
cat.
got scratch. Mali.
Wala na.
I was scratch. I was scratch. Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
Kuha ko yan! Kuha ko yan! Akin yan!
Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
I'm fourth.
I'm fourth. Correct. English mo yan. Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
How much you in your siblings? How much?
Mali.
How much? Pangilan.
Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
Pangsikon.
O pang-second. Mali. Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
How many you are siblings?
Mali. Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid? Pass. Wanan, pass lang muna. Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
I'm eldest.
Anildes. Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
How much you
How much your money? Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid? Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
How many are you in that
Wala.
How many are you in the children?
How many are you in the?
Children.
Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
In what position you are in the siblings?
Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
How much your brother?
Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
What number in your siblings?
Mali. In what Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
What? I want.
Lalipatan na.
Na mental block.
Correct. Kumaneng. Ay, laban na.
How many are you in the sibling?
Pang-ilan ka sa magkakapatid?
In what order among you in your siblings?
Mali.
Order yan.
Tama.
Order.